Hi, this is Anna with WTI. And if you're a wine snob like me, then this is definitely a must. This is the H&D wine decanter. It's a swan. Not only does this decanter have a beautiful Art Deco design, it is absolutely elegant. And it's 100% crystal, but it's lead free. And on top of that, it actually aerates the wine, which improves the aroma, the flavor. You'll get all the beautiful notes because of the way it's designed. It aerates the wine as it's pouring in and pouring into your glass. So if you're a wine snob like me and you want to improve the aroma and the flavor of your wine, this is absolutely a must-have. So if you're looking to give someone a gift or just get something for yourself to improve your wine quality, this is the perfect addition to any wine lover's collection. And that's my point of view.